So when you're getting ready to shoot, there's a series of events that need to take place. The first thing that you do is you set your film speed, and you do that with this little dial that's on the top. And if you pull out on that little dial, you see this little rectangle is adjusting the number inside that rectangle. That's what you want to adjust. And you know what number to choose based upon what number is on the box. So for this photo shoot, since I'm indoors, I'm setting my film speed to 400. That is a more sensitive film. Then after I've set my ISO, or my film speed, I can begin shooting. In order to shoot for this class, as I mentioned before, you'll need to bracket. That means that you're going to take 3 exposures in a row of the same setup. So you see what I have here is 3 things that I've set up. I'm going to approach them from this angle. This is going to be my first shot of the 3. I'm going to set my f-stop to 5.6 and my shutter speed to 1/125th of a second. And then I'm going to take the photograph. First I'm going to focus, on my object. Usually the object closest to you is the easiest to focus on. I took the photograph. Then I'm going to advance my film. Now that I've advanced the film, I'm going to change my settings to try and get the best exposure. So I'm going to stop down to 4. You can see that through your little dial right here that's next to your focus that has all of the numbers. So now that I've stopped down to 4, I'm going to keep my shutter speed the same, and I've already advanced my film, so I'm ready to take the photograph. Again, the exact same one from the same angle. So I'm going to take it again. Make sure my focus, readjust my focus, because sometimes you can hit that as you adjust your aperture. And I take my second photograph. Then I advance, and I'm going to stop down again to 2.8. But I'm going to keep my shutter speed at 1/125th of a second. I've already advanced. I'm going to refocus, and then take the shot again. That's bracketing. I took 3 shots of the same angle, the same photograph with different settings.